This should be played at high volume.
Hey guys, Ren here. Today I'll be unboxing the Claymore box set. So we get the front with Claire, their giant sword, and that looks awesome. Then the side we got some Yoma. Then on the back we got Claire again, looking dope. And then we got that side. And you can see Claire right here, and that looks dope. And then there's two hands reaching together. So we're going to start with volume 1, Claire. And in this there's these monsters called Yoma that can disguise themselves as human beings. And there's these Claymore fighters that can hold a sword in one hand and they take down the Yoma. And there's lots of different fighters in Claymore and they all have different abilities. And yeah, Claymore, the art is awesome. Let me show it off a little bit. The action's amazing. And there was an anime adaptation that only did 27 episodes, so that'd be awesome if we got another Claymore adaptation, for sure. And that'd be really cool if they had like a Claymore movie. That'd be awesome. I just want more Claymore because I love Claymore. And Claire is such a cool protagonist. I like the character of Rocky, and his brother turns into a Yoma, unfortunately. Yeah, that's an awesome cover. There's definitely some huge enemies in this series, for sure. We got volume 9. Yeah, I wouldn't trust that little girl, for sure. She's not who she seems to be. And we got volume 10. We got volume 11, Claire fighting a Yoma beast with a lion head. And the music's awesome for Claymore. Claymore is just an awesome series. And it just gets better throughout the whole series. And that'd be cool if we had a sequel to Claymore. I haven't read it all the way, so I don't know how it ends. So, I definitely gotta read it all sometime. It's raining and that looks dope. And there's humans in this world too, so they have to deal with having the Yoma monsters, which would probably be pretty stressful. I can imagine. Not sure who to trust in this world. I really like her character. And it's sad when characters die in this, and yeah, you got volume 17. The monsters in this are a big threat for sure. So we have volume 18 with that little girl again. Would not trust her. We got volume 19, beautiful cover of one of the main villains. And it's really cool, their eyes turn gold and turn to silver when they detect a Yoma, which is really cool. And it's cool how strong they are, that they can actually hold a giant sword in one hand and fight with that. It's just awesome. Let's look at the art again. It looks amazing. And we got volume 22 with some big enemies. Then we got volume 23. Claire is definitely up there with awesome female protagonists. There's like Rey from Star Wars, Claire. There's that girl from Dr. Slump. It's always cool to see a girl protagonist. Then we got 26. Stunning cover. And then we got the final volume, volume 27. Claymore's an awesome series. It has amazing action, amazing art. really cool characters, different varied fighters with really cool fighting styles. And the art, like I said, is amazing. And the action's awesome, and Claymore is just in a fantastic series, and I definitely recommend it. And yeah, this is volumes 1 through 27. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and until next time. Peace.